Hello, friends and professionals. Let's welcome back. Probably day to day. Where do you choose reference mandatory in SAP or S4 HANA for all modules? So this is the question specifically intended for sales and distribution folks. What I wanted to know is, I just wanted to check your interest on the same module. If someone is living on this planet on SAP SD, this is the right place. Please come and subscribe. That's what I can say. Before seeing multiple options, let's get into this. So this is my Udemy channel. Here, my top course is SAP SD Sales and Distribution 88 point hours. This will be continually updated in real-time basis. And whenever I have done something in YouTube or else out of my interest, if I find something, if I can able to give my knowledge to you, okay? And not only Udemy, uh, I'm just trying to do my best for YouTube folks also. SAP S4 HANA Simple Logistics Business Partners. Okay, here you can able to find 3 scenarios. Internal number ranges 2 scenarios and external number ranges. You can try this if you are not at introduced to S4 HANA. If you are not at introduced to industry at all, getting master to write functional specification, you can try this course. This is referred for each and every person irrespective of module. Of course, example given an SD simple understandable sections. So this is 7 hours. Okay, this will be updated in future also. So you can try all these courses. I'm just providing these links below of the video. And if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, so where is my YouTube channel? Here, the place. Okay, look at here. This is the place. I'm holding 424 videos of the content. I'm continuously in touch with you folks as long as I'm alive on this planet. Please subscribe and do share this knowledge with others so that it will be helpful for them. Okay, so now let's get back to the topic. You can see options. Okay, reference mandatory at warehouse level, company code level, sales document type level, or item level, or item category level, and location level. Okay, what are your choice here? This is the boost to check your IQ, whatever the question series I'm doing, and you will get a question, 1 or 2 questions in a day. Okay, so let it be. So you try. How can you able to do this one? What you have to do is just choose the right option and comment it. This is how you are paying your interest at your learning. Okay, don't see, this is not the forum for who is having a lot of subject ego and all those things. This is the forum for sharing the knowledge. Let's share the knowledge and let's grow together. See, I'm taking my time. I have done 400 plus videos. Means, see, tech channels, we don't get any revenue, but in our professional career, at some point of time, we need to give something back to society. That is I meant for it. Of course, I have a little success with Udemy. That is different. Okay, so thanks a lot for sparing your time, and take your time and come back with right answer. I wish you all the best and bless you. Jai Hind.